In this video, we are going 3D with the Ultimate 3D from eFlite. I've been looking to get into some different kind of RC plane experience, and I want to try the aerobatic 3D flying, and this is one of the cheapest ways that you can get into it. So in this video, we're going to get it out of the box, we're going to assemble it, bind it up to a controller, and then see how it flies. It's a lot. That's a lot of airplane. Alright. Wings!
Yeah, they do.
Oh, wheels.
It was sitting right here. And last wing.
Look at that.
That looks good.
That's pretty cool. Alright, so we have clearly the main fuselage itself. We have one wing, we have another wing, small wings, we have wheels, nose cone. Hopefully this is that a spare? No, it's just the nose cone. The nose cone, other little connector pieces, and we need instructions. The tail installed, yes, it is upside down. And now here with the lower wing, though, there are two different aileron plugs that look like they go into the same one. I don't know how it knows which one, or how I'm supposed to know which one connects to which. So I just took a stab. I'm just going to connect one of them. Slide all this together. We're going to see what happens, and I assume I'm going to be taking all of this back off rather soon anyway, because I need to bind this up to the controller. So I guess this is just the pre-installation, just making sure everything fits. Oh, look at it. It looks so good, all assembled. I'm really excited about how this plane looks. Very, very happy with it. I've got it all set up and bound to my NX8 controller. We're going to pack it up, go out to the park, and see how it flies. Okay, first maiden flight. Okay, flaps work. Flaps do the right thing. All right, here we go. Oh, that's a big airplane.
A little windy.
And a little windy.
Oh my gosh.
Look at it. Here we go. All right, I'm coming back by. Oh, it goes fast in the wind. Alright, so I think I have safe on. But I never confirmed if I have the safe, like, uh-oh button. Nope, it doesn't appear I do.
Oh, great.
Yeah, that's no good. Alright, we're not going to do any crazy acrobatics unless it's on accident. Just as a first flight, I'm just trying to
So it's beginner, right?
I have no idea. I think I have it in the basic mode. But dude, it flies good. We got some wind and stuff going today. But even then, and I'm barely on the throttle.
Wow.
I bet this thing will haul. We're only a small 3S.
It works.
It flies! We didn't screw up the binding too bad. How about that? It looks huge.
Mm-hmm. It's because it's a biplane.
Absolutely. Alright, that's full throttle. I don't know why it's beeping at me. When I got to full throttle, it decided it was going to beep. And I don't know why it's beeping. Keep going. Oh, there's a tree. Oh my gosh, I almost hit that tree. Okay, so hey, this is going well.
Remember?
Is this where we then start getting brave and then it screws up?
So just stop.
No.
No, this is not going well.
This is not. Stay nervous. Stay nervous, young. Here, I'm going to try to land. We're going to see what happens.
Nice.
Come on.
Oh.
No, that was a bad landing, but it worked. Oh, boo. But yeah, I hit mode 2, which should have just turned the gyro down, and it completely cut power out of the motor, and the whole thing flew funny. Like, it flew really funny, so I tried to click it back into mode 3, and it just, like, dead. Coming back after the crash from this, found out that I had my flight mode set up maybe wrong. I had been in flight mode 3, which was fine. I went down into flight mode 2 to see, I thought I had it set to where it was less gyro, and that was the only setting difference. And instead, it turns out flight modes 2 and 1 have the motor spinning in reverse. And the truth is, I'm really new to all this stuff. I'm really new to setting up these Spektrum controllers, and I don't understand it. I've spent hours and hours now going through this NX8 and the programming of it, trying to understand just what setting causes it to go reverse in different flight modes. And I just don't understand it. I just literally cannot find a setting in it. I find the user interface for this to be super frustrating, and I thought it would be fairly straightforward, like it is on a lot of our Surface stuff. It just isn't. It just isn't. So, for whatever reason, flight modes 2 and 1 are reverse. And so what happened there in that crash is I was flying along, I hit flight mode 2, and when I hit the throttle of flight mode 2, it spun this backwards, and no wonder it really flew funny. All of a sudden it was trying to stop. The more throttle I gave it, the less it wanted to fly. So lesson learned from me is make sure that you check flight modes on the ground first. Don't do flight modes in the air, as it turns out. So the only thing that was truly broken due to the crash is we clearly got rid of a propeller. These landing gear had been bent way out, and they're scraped up now, but they're metal, so I just bent them back. And then under here on the bottom side of the plane, this foam had taken some pretty big damage. We caught all of it though, and so I was able to just hot glue it back in. So the good news is that crash didn't really cost me that much. It cost me some fan blades, and now I have spares. I'm ready to go back out and try again. I'm going to do some more homework on how to fly these things and get some more stick time, so that maybe next time when I go out there I don't crash it. So let me know down in the comments if you know on these Spektrum controllers how to actually set reverse on and off so that I can toggle that in my flight modes. And if you're curious about seeing me do any more flying with this plane, let me know. The plane thing's kind of cool. Kind of want to try some more of it, so let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later. Goodbye.